If you run a small flour mill in Africa, you know the struggle. Flour comes out dark. The output is low. Dust covers everything. You blame the wet, but the real problem is your machine. Most mills fail because the machine can't handle the daily buzz. Today I will show you a complete line that's built different. It covers everything from wet cleaning, milling, dampening, shifting to packing. Designed for small to medium African mills. Simple to operate, easy to maintain, and built to last. Let's start with cleaning. Wet first goes through a horizontal scourer. It knocks off dust and loose husks. Then a combined sieve removes light impurities and small stones. Finally, a wash machine. Water washes away dirt, and any remaining stones sink to the bottom. Result: clean wet, ready for dampening. After dampening, wet goes through the vertical scourer for the second clean. This removes the expanded wet bran before milling. That's a critical step for clean flour. Now the core, the flour mill. Our mills are made of cast iron with 3.5 cm thick side walls. Why does that matter? Because when the frame stays rigid, the ruler gap stays consistent. We have customers who have used our mills for over 10 years, and they never had to adjust the gap. Look at the ruler. When we cut the grooves, the steel chips come out blue. That's a sign of extreme sharpness and hardness. The sharp teeth strip the bran off in large flakes, not tiny brans. That means no bran specks in your flour. Just clean white flour. The square plansifter works by natural shaking motion. No brushes, no forced rotation. Flour and bran separate completely without pressure. That's why you get higher purity compared with corn sifter. A pile dust collector runs on negative pressure. It keeps dust in the system, not on your floor or in your lungs. With 5 flour mills and 1 square plansifter, you get clean white flour, stable extraction rate, low maintenance, dust-free workshop. Many African millings are running our machine for over a decade. They don't switch brands because they don't have to. Subscribe for more practical milling solutions and tell me how many years has your mill served you.